This is the celebration of Loco 200. As you can see behind me, everybody is happy, everybody is excited. This is a job well done from our employees, all stakeholders, our supporters, those who provide us with material, with space. We want to appreciate everybody that has done their part. We also want to say, here is the loco that is able to work. It's a workable locomotive. Come get it. If you're looking for it, we are here to supply. It was an excitement, unveiling of Loco 200. We are looking forward to finish off of the rest of the locomotives. We are upbeat, we're gonna do it. And as I said, we will finish these locos on time. Thank you.